Guys, tingnan nyo to, oh. Malaking batya. Mga dashpan. Mga dashpan, oh. May pang baby din, oh. Tingnan nyo to. Very small. Very tiny for the food. May malaki din, oh. Nigo. May mga tsinelas din. May mga tsinelas din. Pasok tayo dito, guys. Pasok tayo. Ayan. Ito gusto ko, ito. Pero grabe, ang bigat. Ang bigat. This is what I like, but it's very heavy. Yes, very heavy. Ay! Don't copy. Don't copy. Look at this strainer. Okay, if you put that on the stove, you're gonna have a ladder to check.
Daddy, that's too heavy for you, Daddy.
Oh, look. Nice.
This is fun. You can try it.
Pang ano talaga siya, pang restaurant. Go back there. Go outside. Go back because there's no way to get out. Up here. Matitibay talaga, guys. Matitibay. Mga ano, ang bigat. Malalaman mo yung ano, isang bagay na ano, quality talaga. Bigat niya. Yan. May mga ano din to, oh. Si Chiburichi. Raincoat.